Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I edit my photos using Lightroom app. Also, I will show you my workflow for editing photos. Let's get started. We'll open the Photos app. This is the photo app. So I'll open this picture and I'm going to open it in the Lightroom app. So first I'm going to use crop and rotate tool. So here most of the time I'm auto adjusting using this tool, but sometimes I don't like the auto adjustment, so I think this will be okay. Yeah, I'm going to align with this line. Okay, I'm happy with the change, and we can use the auto edit button to get a quick change of the picture. Then sometime I'm checking these presets as well, so sometime we can get an idea from other users presets what kind of highlight we can use these pictures. So we'll change one by one and see. I don't like this one. This has some clarity on the objects and the but the light rays are not clear. This one I like this preset. This one also close. This one good, and this one. This is better. Okay, I have selected this one, so as a quick edit we can see this one. We'll zoom it out and see with the original image before and after, because sometimes with those presets we get some flicker around the image, so according to the steps that they have in that presets. So this is okay, so I have selected that one, and then I'm trying to get the feel that I want with the adjustments, exposure, the contrast. When we reduce the highlights here, so we can get some more detail in the sky area. And the colors, which increase the color temperature, it will be like this, and when we reduce, it will go to the blue side. So this is okay. Yeah, I'm happy with the other colors. Let's play with the yellow. Yeah, we'll keep it like this at the moment. Then I'm going to add a mask here because I need to highlight this area. Yeah, I'm adding a mask to this area, so all the things in this area can highlight with this one. And while keep this mask, I'm going to create another one with duplicating to get the other areas of the picture. So there, in that mask, I'm going to change the exposure down, because I don't need to highlight these sections, and contrast, shadow a little bit white, something like this. If you want, we can change the color as well, the temperature. Most of the time I'm changing the temperature, but for this one, see if you change the temperature down, yeah, like here. Then I'm going to highlight this section with the brush because I need to highlight these objects. Little bit more highlights to this section. So that's fine, right? Yeah, that's fine. Colors are okay. Also, I like to get some golden color in part of this area. Then we can keep some depth here. Other than the whole radial gradient, I'm creating another one to this section. Then in this one, we can change the temperature to this, and then selecting the sky. Because we have only the sky, we can change things. When we change the exposure, we can get some more details on the here. See, we have more detail this area. And in the section temperature, I like the temperature down because in this section we have some blue color. Yeah, that's okay. And I'm going to add another linear gradient to this section to get some small change to this area. And if I go down like this, inside the mask, in this mask, see if you go temperature down, then it will be blue color, but we can gradually increase that. Yeah, also if you want some the golden color, this is fine. Done. So I'm going to adjust the main colors here. I'm going to add a brush to these as well. Zoomed image, that's fine. Yep. So I just want to make sure that this is, I'm going to hide this one, so it will be like this. Then if I unhide this one, we can see this. I'm happy with that change. So before and after, before and after. So we can go to the section and we'll increase this clarity a little bit more for this section. Before and after, before and after. Because we have a lot of detail in these pictures, we can change each parts separately. I'm using raw JPG, raw files and the JPG in this one because in the raw files we have a lot of details. Because of that we can easily edit, but the raw file will increase the capacity of the file. Then you might have to decide whether you are keeping raw file or the JPG file according to your requirement. So I'm happy with the edit for this image. I'm going to export this one, export as. I have selected JPG format, large available dimension, image quality 90%, and also I have added a watermark here, so in this area. So if I change, now the change size is 3, but if I change this one, you can see it. So I'll change that back to 3. Done. Save image. Then I'm going to the image app again. Yeah, it should be this one. Yeah, in the watermark. Yeah. That's it for this video. So I'll create more of these pictures. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. Also like, comment and share.